The concept that everyone is an investor goes beyond investing in financial markets. We all invest our time, money, attention every single day. Investments needs to be nurtured and acknowledged.
At Vontobel, employees are encouraged to take ownership of their own actions and to bring initiatives to life. This is done based on the conviction that successful investing starts with personal responsibility. We continuously scrutinize our own achievements as we strive to exceed the expectations of our clients. At Vontobel, we are encouraged to operate with independence of thought. We believe that diverse thinking leads to better solutions. This means that through a collaborative culture, companies that actively promote the sharing of ideas and knowledge throughout the entire organization will be in a strong position to thrive in an ever-evolving business landscape. The company's history dates back to 1924, when the brokerage firm F.E. Heberle & C. was founded here in Zurich. A couple of years later, in 1936, which was actually during one of the worst economic crises in Switzerland, Jacob Vontobel seized the opportunity and he acquired the firm. He then registered it with the commercial register under the name of J. Vontobel & Co. Today, 100 years later, the entrepreneurial spirit of Jacob Vontobel still characterizes the way we work at Vontobel.
Vontobel is an international active investment firm, serving private clients, institutional investors, and financial market intermediaries across 27 locations worldwide. Vontobel Holding AG shares are listed at 6 Swiss Stock Exchange, and the majority is owned by the founding family. Their close ties to the company guarantees entrepreneurial independence, and the resulting freedom creates an obligation to assume social responsibility.
Vontobel family itself was really committed to positive change. So about 15 years ago, we launched the first environmental fund solution, and is now, according to Morningstar, one of the biggest funds in that space. 2024 is a big year for Vontobel as we celebrate our 100th anniversary. Entrepreneurial spirit has been key to Vontobel's longevity and success. Our journey through the next century will be driven by our unwavering dedication to our investors. We are committed to empowering investors to build better futures today and in the 100 years to come. Sustainability is a really important aspect for Vontobel. The family has been invested and acting in the long-term interest for a long time. The world is now facing powerful trends involving major economic, social and environmental changes, and these trends result in risk and opportunities for investors. As an active investment firm, the integration of ESG factors into our products and service offering is a key part of our sustainability strategy. In addition to our 6 sustainability commitments, we invest according to 4 ESG investment principles to empower our clients to reach their financial goals while building a better future.
We defined our 6 sustainability commitments in 2022, and they represent the main levers that we believe we have as a corporate citizen and as a global investment firm to contribute to the sustainable development and to achieving a sustainable transition. 6 sustainability commitments concretely includes the following. Number 1, our path to net zero. Secondly, our commitment to diversity, equality and inclusion. Thirdly is our commitment to governance and transparency. Our 4th is our commitment to private clients. 5th, investment solutions. We incorporate ESG considerations in our active investment decisions. And lastly, our commitment to the communities we live and work in. So our 6 sustainability commitments form the strategic foundation that set out, on the one hand, how we as a company want to achieve our own transition. For example, in describing our path and ambition to net zero. On the other hand, our commitments also set out how we want to empower our clients with the know-how, the advice and the investment solutions they need to achieve their own sustainability ambitions. While these 6 sustainability commitments are holistic in nature, we have formulated 2 commitments that specifically address our main business areas and therefore directly impact our clients. These are investment solutions and our advice to private clients. We believe that transparently showing our clients the benefits, risks and opportunities that are associated with ESG investing but also sustainability more broadly, is a core part of our business.
As climate change is one of the biggest threats of the coming century, it simply cannot be ignored in forward-looking planning for investments. We aim to protect our clients' assets. Thus, considering climate change in their investment process is crucial both for private and institutional investors. It is important to make sustainability a universal goal. And of course, although the term sustainability has reappeared recently in recent regulations and is now associated with good environmental, social, and governance practices, the term is not new. Sustainable development has been here for decades and has been defined as meeting the needs of the present generation without sacrificing the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. One of the main highlights of my role is providing tailored solutions to clients who are interested in climate change impacts. And of course, the second main highlight is people I work with. Very professional, caring, they always ready to help. And this is very important in any project development. I'm very excited about two things that come into the future of Vontobel. First and foremost is something that I'm very passionate about, is an expansion of climate strategy at the firm level, which allows to integrate climate change into all steps of the investment process, starting from security selection to global overall macro view. And the second part is Vontobel's unique ownership structure that has a tradition of providing solutions for over a century and has always allowed for innovation. And I think it is a perfect place to combine tradition with innovation to solve new challenges associated with climate change.
I'm convinced that Vontobel will continue to integrate and embrace sustainability in different areas of its business. This means to balance interests and also manage expectations from our broad stakeholders, from regulators to clients, shareholders, the community, and also employees.
New technologies like AI, we see it as a very effective tool to analyze and process large amount of data. And that helps us to make more informed investment decision, which in turn helps our clients to better achieve their investment objectives. This is why we are focused on empowering investors to build better futures. It's not our job to tell our clients what futures that should be, but it's about empowering them on their path.